Hello, this is Echo Electric News. Tesla shares dipped more than 9% on Friday after news that CEO Elon Musk plans a hiring freeze and 10% job cuts at his electric vehicle and renewable energy company, Tesla. Cowen equity researchers also lowered their Tesla vehicle delivery estimates on Friday, citing the impacts of stringent COVID lockdowns that hampered production at Tesla's Shanghai factory. Tesla CEO Elon Musk said in an email to all employees at Tesla on Friday that the company will cut 10% of salaried workers and will instead rely on more hourly workers. Shares of Tesla dipped 9% on Friday by mid-morning after these reports on the email Musk had sent to executives about his plans to cut the company's workforce and expressing a super bad feeling about the economy. In its year-end financial filing, Tesla said it employed 99,290 people around the world as of the end of 2021. Meanwhile, President Joe Biden was asked about Musk's negative economic outlook on Friday after news of Tesla's headcount reduction was out. Biden said that while Musk is talking about economic fears and reductions, Ford is increasing its investment in building new electric vehicles with 6,000 new union employees in the Midwest. The president also lauded the former Chrysler Corp, Stellantis, for making similar investments in electric vehicle production in the U.S., and Intel for adding 20,000 new jobs in computer chip manufacturing. And then he added, quote, "So, lots of luck on his trip to the moon," end quote. In the new email Musk sent to all Tesla employees about headcount reduction, Musk said, "Tesla will be reducing salaried headcount by 10%, as we have become overstaffed in many areas. Note this does not apply to anyone actually building cars, battery packs, or installing solar. Hourly headcount will increase." Elon Musk had a super bad feeling about the economy, which is apparently what prompted his decisions about the job cuts. The report followed the news that Musk is requiring all Tesla and SpaceX employees to cease remote work and report on location to the main office for a minimum of 40 hours a week. According to its annual financial filing, Tesla and its subsidiaries employed 99,290 people around the world as of the end of 2021. Minus this 9% drop in Tesla shares lately, more than 25% of Tesla shares have dropped this year alone amid a broader sell-off in tech. Like other automakers, Tesla has been coping with parts shortages and supply chain problems, worsened by the ongoing COVID pandemic and Russia's brutal invasion of Ukraine. Despite this, the longer-term demand for Tesla vehicles isn't really changing that much. Tesla is also trying to recover from the impact of stringent COVID lockdowns in Shanghai, where its factory in China is located, which have significantly hampered its vehicle production. On Friday, Cowen equity researchers trimmed their second quarter delivery estimates for Tesla with China impacts in mind. Deliveries are the closest approximation to sales numbers reported by the company. Cowen Managing Director and Senior Research Analyst Jeffrey Osborne wrote in a note on Friday, "China is Tesla's most profitable facility, so we see the loss of about 50,000 to 60,000 vehicles also crimping profitability, which will be exacerbated by ramp-up challenges in Berlin and Austin for the Model Y." Cowen also expects Tesla to drop its year-end projection, which was aiming for a 50% rise in car sales in 2022, Osborne remarked. "We expect Tesla to point to challenges in achieving its stated goal of about 50% delivery growth in 2022. We now model 1.28 million vehicles for the year versus 1.35 million prior." Aside from Tesla, Musk is also in the process of acquiring Twitter for $54.20 per share, or around $44 billion. Unfortunately, when Tesla shares fall, so do Musk's resources. That's it for this quick Tesla news report. What do you think about Elon's recent decisions? Tell us your thoughts in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this one coming in the future.